Come test drive the 2025 Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid. One reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 miles per gallon rating. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, heated seats, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, electronic stability control, rear window defroster. Come see the car for yourself.